Virtue is the habit of doing good. The theological virtues are faith, hope, and charity. The cardinal virtues are prudence, or sound judgment, justice, fairness, fortitude, or courage, temperance, or self-control. We are going to take these virtues and create a word cloud, which we will then be adding to our kid blog. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Tech Wiki. When you bring the home page of the Tech Wiki, you're going to go down to the side and you're going to see the word virtues in the sidebar under the word lessons. We're going to click on that. Now we're going to keep this open and we're going to go up to File and we're going to add a new tab. Go to the home page of the wiki, click on your grade, and within the Symbaloo you should again find the link to Wordle. It's right down here, WORDLE, wordle.net. We want to click on that. We can again just get rid of this tab. We only need these two open, Virtues and Wordle, because once again we're going to go back and forth between the two to get the text that we need. We want to hit Create Your Own on Wordle. First thing we want to do is type the word virtues, virtues, and I want to type this word more than once. I'm going to do it 3 times because I would like the word virtues to appear bigger than all of the other words. And now I'm going to toggle back and I'm going to first highlight faith, hope, and charity, and I'm going to copy them, and I either hit Command C or I can again go up and edit and hit Command C to copy. I'm going to toggle back to the Wordle. I'm going to hit return and I'm going to paste, and there we have faith, hope, and charity. Now I'm going to go down to the cardinal virtues, and I can choose whether or not I want to include the words in parentheses. I want to include them, but you do not have to. And as I copied them again, and I'm going to paste them. Now before I hit go, I need to do something. If I want the words sound and judgment to appear together, then what I need to add in between there, I'm going to delete the space between them, but what I'm going to add in that space is a little squiggly. It might actually have a technical term, but I call it the squiggly, and it's up next to the 1 on your keyboard. So you want to hit the Shift and that key next to the 1, and you'll see that squiggly. And I need to do the same thing with self-control. It has a dash, but I'm going to delete that dash. I'm going to replace it with the squiggly. And now the words sound and judgment will appear together, and self-control will appear together. And the parentheses will not appear, so I don't even have to worry about deleting them. Before I hit the go button with Wordle, I want to copy everything that I have here in the Wordle, and again, Command C. I want to copy it because in the event that I have to go back and do this again, then all I need to do is paste my text. I don't have to start typing again. So I have virtues spelled correctly. I have faith, hope, charity, prudence, justice, fortitude, temperance, and the definitions. So I'm going to hit go. And when it asks me if I want to run this application, yes, I want to run this application. And there it is. You can see the word virtues appeared bigger than all of the other words because I typed that 3 times. And now let's look. Sound and judgment appear next to each other, and self-control appear as a phrase together. Temperance, fortitude, fairness. Very nice. I'm not thrilled again with the color and layout, so I want to play with it. I might go to font here and just click on different fonts. Oh, that's kind of fancy. All right, and then I want to hit the layout, and I usually like it a little more horizontal. Oh no. Go back to half and half. And I'm going to play with the color. And again, I usually like to hit the custom palette. I often try a few of these just to see if I like them, but I often hit the custom palette. And since this time we're not worried about a patriotic theme, I can kind of have a little, I can have a little more fun with the colors. That's a little more like what I had. And let's see what that looks like. Oh. When you are ready, or when you have finished and you are happy with the color and the layout, you've changed it however you want, then it's time to take a screenshot. And in order to take a screenshot, we hold down the Command, the Shift, and the 4 keys. When these crosshairs appear, we hold them in the corner, we drag it to the corner, and you should hear the click. And then that will appear right there on your screen. And that's what we're going to post into our kid blog.